So hi guys and welcome back to my video. In this video I will show you how you can customize your desktop to look professional and clean from this to this. So first we will clean our desktop. So first we will open settings, then go to personalization and scroll down and go to themes. Now scroll down and click here to desktop icon settings. Now remove all the icons. Okay, so now click to apply and okay. Now close settings. Now here you can delete which are not important. Now these are all important for me. So what I will do is I will create a new folder, and to hide the name I will provide the text in description, so you can copy it and then paste it here. Now some information will come like this, so click enter and the name will hide of the folder. Now select all the files and then cut it and paste it in this folder. So now all your apps are in this folder. Now we will go to the properties of this folder and then we will go in customize and we will change the icon of this folder. You can keep anything, but I will keep this arrow one. Okay, so it is now like this. Now we will change the wallpaper of this desktop. I will provide all the links in description. So this is the wallpaper. Set it as background and then close it. Now this is the background. Now we will change our mouse cursor. So go to Chrome or any browser and go to the link which is in the description and then download it. Now once it has downloaded, go to your downloads and then right click on that folder which we have downloaded and then click to extract all. Now click on extract. Now all the files are extracted here. Now click to this dark folder and then cursor. Now right click on it and then click to install. Now click open. And then here select this and click to this Windows 11 cursor's dark free and then apply it. Now click to yes and then OK. Now our cursor has been changed. Now go to another link which is Rainmeter and then download it. Now once it is downloaded, open this and then select your language and then press OK. Now click to next and then install it. Now finish it. Then go to the third link which is Mond Rainmeter theme and then scroll down and download it. Now run this and then install this. Now if we will close the settings and we will remove all this media player. If you want to remove, you can remove. Okay, so now we will edit this skin. We will scroll down and delete this, select this meter date and then delete this. Now select this meter 24-hour clock and 12-hour clock and then delete it. Press Ctrl+S and right click here and then press to refresh skin. Now as you can see, only our day is visible. So if you want to increase the font of this, you can go here and then here scale is 1.06. I will keep 1.56 and save it and then refresh it. So the font will increase and now your desktop is ready. So this was of today guys, and I will meet you in the next video.